Good morning, Saints. I greet you in the precious name of Jesus. Strong relationships don't just happen, they are intentionally built and carefully guarded. Proverbs 4:23 tells us to guard your heart above all else. Saints, because what flows from our hearts shapes our actions and words toward and other people. Protecting a relationship means we choose patience over irritation, listening over defending ourselves, and grace over harsh judgment. Small issues. If left unchecked, like the check light on your dashboard in your vehicle, if it's not checked, can become walls between people. That's why it's wise to address misunderstandings quickly and speak openly in love. Even in ministry, healthy relationships don't just make work easier, they reflect the love of Christ, the unity. As we are in unity, the world is watching. Prevention is far less painful than repair. So if you can prevent, then that's light. Can prevent the cost afterwards. It will cost you less. And a heart set on peace will always choose preservation over pride. May you be blessed and have a wonderful day and weekend. Shalom.